Welcome back to your maths class. And kids, yesterday we were doing addition on of length. Yesterday we have started doing addition of length. I have explained the concept with some example also. Now today we will do some question based on that only. Okay? Today we will do some question based on addition of length. Okay? Okay now. So kids, let us do one question first, that is add 325 kilometer, 428 kilometer and 126 kilometer. Let us add them together. 325 kilometer, 428 kilometer and 126 kilometer. Okay, let us do them. Come on, solve this question yourself and then ma'am will help. Come on, do the addition. So, let us do 325 kilometer add 428 kilometer add 126 kilometer. What you have to do? You have to add them together. Come on, add them. 325 kilometer, 428 kilometer, 126 kilometer. Add them together. Add them together and tell me the answer. Don't forget to start from the rightmost place. Start from this place, then move toward this and then move toward this place. Okay? Okay. 325 kilometer, 428 kilometer, 126 kilometer. You have to add them together. Come on, add them. From the ones place. So at ones place we are having 5 plus 8 and plus 6. At ones place we are having 5 plus 8 plus 6. Now let us add them. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 8. 11 plus 8 19. Again 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 8 19. So for 19 we will write 9 here. For 19 we will write 9 here and we will give carry 1 at this place. Now at this place we are having 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 1. Now 2 to 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 1 7. We are adding 1 also now, 1 carry. So we have got our answer is 7. Okay. Now we are at our 100 place. At 100 place we are having 3 plus 4 plus 1. 3 plus 4 plus 1. Now 3 plus 4 plus 1 we will get 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 1 7 plus 1 you will get 8. So our 879 kilometer. 879 kilometer is what? 879 is our answer. Okay. So, हमने क्या किया? We have started from the rightmost place. Then we moved one step left each time. Okay. Note it down. Then I'll tell you the next question. Okay. Now see class, in this question we are having only kilometer part, है ना? 325 kilometer, 428 kilometer, 126 kilometer. So we are having only kilometer part. So now the next question that I am going to take, that will contain both meter part as well as kilometer part. That will contain both meter and kilometer. So I am going to erase. Okay. Now next question. See question number 2, our example 2. Add 126 kilometer, 126 kilometer or and 238 meter and 72 kilometer, 415 meter. Okay, 415 meter. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to add them together. Come on, add them together. 126 kilometer and 238 kilometer and 72 kilometer and 415 kilometer. Come on. First, what you will do? First, we will write kilometer and we will give one heading of meter. One heading of kilometer and one heading of meter. Kilometer and meter. How many kilometers are here in the first term, in this term? Here we are having 126 kilometers. So we'll write 126 kilometers and 238 meter. Now what we have to do? We have to add. How much we have to add here? 72 kilometer and 415 meter. So 72 kilometer, 415 meter. Okay, now solve it like a simple addition. Come on, solve it like a simple addition. Completed? One 126 kilometer, 238 meter plus 72 kilometer and 415 meter. Completed? Okay. 126. Start from this place. Start from 8. Now, so here we are having 8 plus 5. First we are having 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is equals to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much? 13. So we'll write 13 here. Now 13, for 13 we will write 3 this side and we'll give carry 1 to the next place. Now at next place we are having 3 plus 1 plus 1. That will give us 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 1 4, 1 5. Okay. At this place we are having 2 plus 4. Now 2 plus 4 will get 6. So here we, I have written 5. Here we will write 6. So what happened? Our meter part is solved. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? हमारा meter part क्या हो गया? Solve हो गया है. Okay? Now we will move toward the kilometer part. किलोमीटर पार्ट की तरफ हम बढ़ेंगे. चलो ऐड करो किलोमीटर पार्ट को. Come on. Add kilometer part बेटा. Okay, so here we are having, at kilometer we are having this number 6 plus 2 is equals to, it will give us 8. Now we are having 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 we will get 9 and 1. So our answer is 100. So our answer is 198 kilometer and 653 meter. 198 kilometer, 653 meter. Answer we will write like this. 198 kilometer, 653 meter, like this. 198 kilometer, 653 meter. इस तरह से what we will do? Like this we will solve. Yes, like this we will solve the question which contain both kilometer and meter, which contain 2 units. So this is the way of solving the question. Okay kids. Note it down, then we will move toward the next question. Come on. Okay, let us do the next question. So I am going to erase the board. Next question. I am going to write the next question, and next question is add 24 meter, 12 centimeter and 36 meter, 36 centimeter. What you have to do? You have to add these two numbers. 24 meter, 12 centimeter and 36 meter, 36 centimeter. Come on, add these two numbers. See, both the parts are given here, meter and centimeter both. Okay. Completed. Okay, completed. So first of all we will make two headings, that is meter and centimeter. We'll write here 24 meter, 12 centimeter and 36 meter and 36 centimeter. Now let us add them together. Let us see what we will get as our answer. Let us add them together. Okay. So we'll start from this place. Okay. Let us start. So here I am having 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 I will get 8. Move to the next place. Next we are having 3 plus 1 will get 4. Again, now we have solved centimeter part. Now we will move toward the meter part. So 6 plus 4 will get 10. Will give carry 1 here. And 3 plus 2 5. 5 1 6. 3 plus 2 5 and 5 1 6. So our answer is 60 meter and 48 centimeter. 60 meter and 48 centimeter. This is what? This is our answer. Note it down. Come on. Note it down, then we will move toward the next question. Okay, so I am going to erase the board. So next question we are having, we have to add 58 meter, add 58 meter, 96 centimeter and 58 meter, 96 centimeter and 23 meter, 48 centimeter. Come on, solve this question. चलो सॉल्व करो सारे बच्चे. See, addition of measurement of length is very much similar to addition only, है ना. आपने खाली addition करना है और कोई difference नहीं है. Only difference is here that you have to write meter and centimeter or kilometer, meter or whatever the unit that is given there in question. Okay, let us see. So here we are having meter and centimeter. So 58 meter, 96 centimeter. 58 meter, 96 centimeter. In that we have to add 23 meter and 48 centimeter. Okay, now add them together to get the answer. 58 meter, 96 centimeter, 23 meter and 48 centimeter. What you have to do, you just have to add them. So let us do the addition, but okay, so we'll start from this place. Here we are having, at the rightmost place we are having 6 plus 8. At the rightmost place we are having 6 plus 8. Okay, so we'll add 6 plus 8. Okay, now 6 plus 8 we will get 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We will get 14. So let us write 14. And for 14 we will write only 4 here. And we will give carry 1. Now at the second place we are having 9 plus 4 and plus 1 carry. 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13 and plus carry 14. 9 plus 4, 13, 1, 14 again. So we'll write 4 here and we'll give carry 1. Now at meter part. At meter part we are having 8 plus 3 plus 1 carry. Now 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11 plus 1 carry 12. So we'll write 12 there. For 12 we will write 2 here and we'll give carry 1. Now 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. So we are having here 8 and our answer is 82 meter and 44 centimeter. 82 meter and 44 centimeter. This is what? This is our answer. Come on, note it down. Completed? Note it down, note it down. Okay. Now from this example it is clear that we can carry out the addition here in the same way as we did in the case of rupees and पैसे. जैसा rupees and पैसे में करते थे we have done similarly. है ना, बिल्कुल उसी तरह से हमने यहाँ पे addition किया है. So I am going to erase. Okay. So the next question that I am going to give you is, okay, yeah. Question is at 3 kilometer, 835 meter and 2 kilometer, 683 meter. 3 kilometer 835 meter and 2 kilometer 683 meter. Now come on, add these two numbers. What you will do first? First make two headings. Kilometer and meter. And then start to solve the question. Come on, write it down there. Completed? Oh. So here we are having 3 kilometer, 835 meter and 2 kilometer, 683 meter. Just add them together. इन्हें add कर दो. ठीक है? Come on, add them together. Start from the rightmost place as we are doing in rest of the question. Start from that place. So at the rightmost place we are having 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 we will get 8. So we'll write 8 here. Now again we are having 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 we will get 9, 10, 11. So we'll write 11 and for 11 we will write 1 only. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next we are having 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 we are having 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 14. Yes, we are having no carry here. So for 14 we will write 4 here and we'll give carry 1 here. Okay. So we get 1 plus 3 plus 2. See, 3 plus 2 is our number that is given here. Okay. And 1 is what? 1 is carry. So 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6. So our answer is 6 kilometer. Our answer is 6 kilometer and 418 meter. This is what? This is our answer. Okay, note it down. 6 kilometer and 418 meter. Come on, note them down. Okay, see. So let us recall one more thing. Here we have got answer 6 kilometer 418 meter. 6 kilometer 418 meter. This is our answer. Now if I tell you that convert this answer into meter, what you will do? अगर मैं बोलूँ यहाँ पे किलोमीटर मीटर दोनों में आंसर और मैं बोलूँ कि नहीं मुझे आंसर मीटर में चाहिए, so what you will do? How you will gonna convert it? चलो. So first time we will write 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Then 6 kilometer 418 meter is equals to 6 kilometer plus 418 meter. Now 6 kilometer. So we'll convert the kilometer part. We won't convert the meter part. Meter part को हम convert नहीं करेंगे. We will only convert the kilometer part. We will only convert the kilometer part. We won't convert the meter part. So 6 into 1000 meter plus 418 meter. Now 6 into 1000 we will get 6 multiplied by 1000 we will get 6 multiplied by 1000 we will get 6000 plus 418 meter. 6000 meter plus 418 meter. Now if we will add them together, what we will get? See, 6000 meter. Okay, 6000 meter, and there we have to add 418 meter. Okay, there we have to add 418 meter. So together they will give us 8146 meter. So our answer will be 6418 meter. Okay. So what we have done, first we have done our addition, then we got our answer at 6 kilometer 418 meter. Now what next we have done? Next we have converted this value into meter and we have got our answer as 6418 meter. Okay. So kids, this is it for today and we will meet in our next class.